front stitch, we're going to start in the same way that we started our back stitch. Bring your needle up at the end of the line, come all the way through, and we're going to go one stitch length forward. Now, similar to our split stitch, we're going to go half a stitch length forward. So we're going to come up. So this would be a full stitch length. We're going to go half of that. We're going to come up on the line as best we can. Okay, now to make our stem stitch, we're going to push aside. So instead of, we're not going to go through it, we're going to push it aside, and we're looking for the space that is halfway between these two stitches. So if I was to pull that further away, where we are aiming to put our needle down is right here. So we're going to do that right here. We're going to push this aside and put our needle down on the line and pull through. And now we're going to go up a half a stitch length from the end of that stitch, pull it through. And then again, we're going to push this to the side, but now we're looking for this stitch and we're going to put our needle down. Let's see. We're going to put our needle down right here, and we're going to share the hole with that first stitch that we made. Okay. So we're going to put our needle in and come down. And we always want to do that on the same side. So we're going to go half a stitch length forward. Then we're going to push this aside and we're going to join the stitch before it, sharing the hole.